Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and this will be an unboxing video where I'll be unboxing my new earbuds. All this will be revealed shortly obviously, so watch the full video. And obviously I'll be reviewing these earbuds too. These are some special in terms of design and the partnerships that the brand has done. Obviously you have already looked the title and thumbnail and you have clicked for the video, so yeah, let's quickly unbox this GoBoult Mustang Sprint earbuds. So let's get the unboxing knife, and yeah, it's not an unboxing knife, but yeah, I'm just gonna use it to unbox. So yeah, we are going to just tear the package from the center. Not good with unboxings on camera because the setup is kind of congested and my slight movement is going to just put my tripod away. Put my tripod away. So this is the box from the future to your present. Maybe it's kind of a design. So this is the bill, invoice, and yeah, these are the earbuds. Let's move this packet aside, and these are the GoBoult Mustang Sprint, and you can see the packaging is quite nice. You've got this nice graphics here. You have this font, nice font, and matching. Everything is matching properly. You can see the graphics here are really nice, explaining the product design, the color, and we have this label. So let's quickly also do unbox the main packet. This is the turbo yellow color, if I'm not wrong, and I have to really be careful while unboxing these packets, like the new unboxing experience, and it's not it's kind of a unique experience. Every box it's unique. So yeah, I really like the front design of the box, and they have made it really well. We have the Mustang logo as well. Sorry for that tripod shake, just be with me. And you can see GoBoult Mustang ANC, all this. We're gonna check all that in the review video. Let's just reveal the earbuds. So this is some design, and this is going to lift it up. And yes, Mustang Owners Club. We added some fuel to your fire, which you can find it inside. USB Type-C cable. Extra ear tips. What else? Oh, nothing. Choose the tip that finds it. Obviously here's some paperwork. Scan your and this is the congratulations, you have unlocked exclusive access. So kind of some exclusive Mustang stuff. This is the card. Yeah, nice. Got this Mustang card. Let's keep it aside. Let's take a look at what more we have got. We have some stickers here, and we have a lot of stickers, like five stickers. Quality looks nice, and this is not the main product. So this is the main product, and oh my god, the weight is nice. I did not expect this kind of weight. And looking at the quality, it also seems really nice, durable. We got this sunroof, panoramic sunroof designed. It's exactly the kind of what they're advertising. We have this Mustang name, logo, the GoBoult logo, the 302 mark. We have this carbon fiber finish. The yellow finish is just basic yellow, but yes, these earbuds are black. That's why I chose them. Now I'm not sure how to pair, so let me just take a quick look at how to pair these earbuds. Like there is a lot of different methods to pair earbuds, and this is the first time I'm using a GoBoult earbud, so I just want to see how to pair this one. Also, let me have them refueled a bit, charge a bit, and we also have this lanyard holes like the Mustang car, and this is the reset button, not the refuel, reset button, and it's kind of that yellow color given to that button. Looks nice, a bit heavy than I expected. I thought like, yeah, it's not, it's not in that premium range. It's a 2000 rupee earbud and it's not going to be so much heavy, but yes, the quality seems nice. Also, let me check the the earbuds weight and quality. Let's check that all, but first let me charge this to an extent so we can obviously check how to pair and all that stuff. I have charged these earbuds and I have also learned about the pairing pattern, so it's easy. I don't know if we can keep the earbuds in a standing position, but this is how you can keep your earbuds not in a standing position. Let's go to the GoBoult amp app. Just agree to this. The app is kind of not well, the aspect ratio, it's not properly been tuned. So yeah, I hope. And see, it goes to battery saver, and yes, it will ask your phone number, so just enter it. I have already signed up. You can use sign up, you can use your name, your mobile number, and you will get an OTP, and it will easily sign up your account, and then you can easily log in. So let me just quickly log in. Now after logging in, it will ask you to find and connect nearby devices. Sure, allow, and you can see these are the supported devices from GoBoult that will run with the app. Then you can go to add device. Sure, and it will find Bluetooth devices. So keep this screen on. Now you have to open the earbuds, remove them from the case. This is how you have to connect. So yeah, kind of a different connection pattern. You just need to pair them. You can see, just allow pairing, and they're done. Now there's a catch. If you are wearing these earbuds, you will get a Mustang sound, and I'm already playing an audio. You can see this is the closer look of the earbud, the 302 branding, semi-transparent design, and yes, they are nice. I mean, they are really light. All the weight has been carried by the case, the premium look, the carbon fiber, the Mustang, and this panoramic sunroof, the what you can call this, the case, the opening of the case, and the looks of it are really nice. I'm going to test it further. I'm not an audiophile, so yeah, I'm going to test it, whatever knowledge I have regarding listening to music, watching YouTube videos. I'll try to play games because it has that low latency mode for gamers as well, a gaming mode, dedicated gaming mode, so I'm going to test that as well. So I'll see if there's a game on my tab, or I'll just install and try gaming, and yeah, some other stuff regarding the app. So the app is kind of not polished. You can see you have battery, your ANC on and off. For my first impressions, it's fine and it's good at this price range. There's nothing to be complain to be about, and we have this modes, in equalizer, you have your customizing, you have your main volume, and yeah, again here you have some control. You can see you can have these controls. Then we have some settings here. We can edit the name. These were something like Airbus earbuds, so I just renamed them Mustang Sprint. Music mode, gaming mode. So these are the two modes. The gaming mode which I was talking about, and this has low latency, so I will also test this. I'll have to install a game, maybe PUBG I'll try and install. And let's end this video. This was the unboxing. For the full video regarding all that pricing difference and all that, we are going to take a quick look at that one too. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see you guys soon with the other two videos which I'm going to make. So take care guys, like, dislike the experience which you have seen with this video, and bye bye, see you guys soon.